Okay, here it is. We're going to start, we're going to test the power transistor, also known as the igniter, for the SR20DET. There it is. There's your FSM. It says we're going to start positive on the E plug, which is center on the number 5, on the 5 plug side. Alright, there we go. Alligator clip on there. Got our fluke digimeter all set up. Now it says test E to the other plug on the other side, starting with 1, 2, 3, 4. And there should be no continuity. So, testing number 1, no continuity. Number 2, 3, 4. No continuity there. Now it says you're going to reverse this, and there will be continuity. You're going to put your negative side on the number 1, and you're going to test to the E, which is on the center. And there will be continuity. Yeah, there's continuity there. Switch that to number 2. And there's continuity. Number 3. Continuity. Finally, number 4 is going to have continuity as well. One thing that I just noticed is that earlier when I did this test, when it was still a little warm, continuity was a little bit lower. Now it's a little bit higher. It's like 2.5 million ohms. Alright, next in the test, it says hook the positive to E, and then you're going to hook the negative to A, B, C, and D. So you're going to test all on one side of the plug. So, switch this around. Alright, got positive hook to E. We're going to test to A. There's A. There should be continuity, 1.5. There's B, 1.5. C, and D. It doesn't say what the ohm should be. It just says there should be continuity. Okay. Now it says just switch it around and you should get the same kind of continuity. So we're putting negative on E and test it with positive. There's A. There's B. And C. And D. Alright, now here's the final test. And this is where it seems to not do exactly what the test says it'll do. It says hook the positive to 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 on this side. You'll put your positive, and the negative will go to the corresponding side on the other plug, and there should be continuity. Alright, so we'll put our negative on the A on the 5 plug side. And we'll test it on number 1. That's what it says. It says you should have continuity there, but I don't. And as I go down the line, I can test each one of those the same way. Go from A to B on the negative, then test number 2. Number 2 says no continuity still, even though it's saying there should be. I'm sorry, I had that backwards. Okay, no I don't. I didn't have it backwards. It's, I got my positive here, hooked to number 2, it says there should be continuity, and there isn't. I can do that all the way for all of them. Testing C, testing from number 3 to C, from positive to negative, and there's no continuity. And then we're going to test D to 4, and again no continuity. So we'll switch that all around. Starting from the beginning, we've got number, alright, we're on letter A, and we're going to test 1, and it's saying there should be no continuity. Going from 1 being negative to A being positive. And that's the way I have it hooked up. And I said there should be no continuity, and it does that the whole way through, which is really weird. So is that a sign that the thing is broken? I guess so. Thanks.